Yeah, I think the relationship approach is underestimated, especially now when, tech and Google and
Mhm.
Facebook and ads and all that kind of stuff. I tried BNI, I have to admit. It didn't work out too well for me, but perhaps that's probably more down to my approach. So when you figured out, or when you joined BNI and the Chamber of Commerce, did you have sort of a strategy behind it? Or was it just, let's start conversations, let's see whether we can help people as and when we can? Obviously, there's a referral element and see where it goes from there. Or were you a bit more focused and tactical in your approach?
That man, I was not tactical or focused at all. It was just I was in a group. I was online. This is 2006, so I was
Mm,
on some. There we didn't have the Facebook groups or any of those things. So I was in a group. Some I think it was called the Global Cleaning Association. It was some forum. It was old school like chat room type style.
yeah.
And I saw BNI and I learned about it from that. And I was like, well, I'll join it and try it. So everything for me was try, fail, adjust. When I
Mm.
joined the chamber, I didn't have a strategy for joining it. It's just one of the guys I met in BNI said, come to a chamber meeting with me. And the first chamber meeting I went to is when it's like they drew my name out of a hat to speak at the next. It was a network lunch to speak at the next lunch. So here's the cleaning guy speaking at lunch, right? Who cares? But that's when I met that branch manager from the bank. And then I
Okay.
was hooked. I was like, oh, okay, this led to some business for me. So it gave me some hope. And then the strategy was just, well, if I came to the event and I met somebody that was a prospect, then maybe I should keep coming to these events because maybe more prospects will be here in the future. And
Yeah.
that's kind of how it worked for me. Now, again, so for me, BNI was the gateway to the chamber. One guy connected me here, connected. So I was been loyal to that too. Well, okay, well, if this one BNI guy led me to chamber, led me to this, then maybe some of these other people will lead me to this. So it was all about like, I got to build a network.